Hello, fellow Haitians. I urge you to campaign for peace in the country. Today we must realize that the path to peace passes through the territory of education. Forgiveness and reconciliation are milestones on this path. In the heart of the Caribbean, Haiti is facing acute challenges. Education emerges as a compass to guide young and old towards a harmonious and prosperous future. Lifelong education is essential. It opens the way to the realization of desires and dreams in Haiti. It requires universal literacy and the teaching of positive values. Imagine a field left fallow. Before receiving new seeds, the soil must be prepared. Likewise, Haiti's social landscape requires preparation to eliminate the roots of animosity. By integrating forgiveness into curricula, we are teaching young Haitians to forgive, to coexist in peace, and to love their compatriots. Forgiveness and reconciliation are acts of social transformation in Haiti, breaking cycles of revenge and thus forging bridges where there were walls. About 10% of Haitian students drop out before the 6th year of basic education and 40% before the end of the 9th and final year. It is imperative that we integrate forgiveness education into our school programs to not only inspire students well before the observed dropouts, but also to prepare them to become active and peaceful citizens. The Haiti Prayer Movement launched initiatives of support for education in Haiti, in particular through online literacy courses and financial support to schools, and awareness of forgiveness and reconciliation. We can take an example from the dynamism for the construction of the canal on the Massacre River, where citizens demonstrated remarkable solidarity. Let us apply this fervor to the dissemination of education. Our schools must develop modules on forgiveness, train teachers to discuss these sensitive topics, and launch creative community projects. Let's collaborate with NGOs and international organizations to enrich our resources and perspectives on forgiveness and reconciliation. Education in forgiveness and reconciliation is essential to building a Haiti where mutual respect and understanding prevail. Let us commit to continuing education, because by improving ourselves and acquiring new skills, we become essential artisans in the rebirth of our country. Thank you for joining this vital effort.